Understanding the type code for the MDD synchronous motors. MDD identifies this as a motor for digital drive controllers. 071 means the motor has a size of 071. B indicates the motor has a continuous standstill torque of 4.4 Nm. N refers to the standard housing. 040 refers to the nominal speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute. N indicates the motor has standard balancing. 2 means the motor does not have a side B shaft end. S identifies the digital servo feedback used by the motor. 095 means the motor has a centering diameter of 95 mm. G indicates the motor has a plain shaft with a shaft seal. B means the power connector faces side B. 2 refers to the blocking brake on the motor. Frequently asked questions. What is the motor's weight? The weight is 8.8 kilograms. What is the torque of the holding brake? It has a holding torque of 6.5 Nm. What is the peak current of the motor? This MDD has a peak current of 49.3 amps. What is the operating temperature range? The operating temperature is 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. What is the motor's protection category? It has an IP65 protection category. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth motor sales and replacements.